Hey everybody, welcome back. I am Justin the Geek, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Montech X3 Mesh RGB case. Let's see. It is the Montech model X3. It says middle tower case, but I know it's a mid tower case. It supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. Has USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 front I/O, along with a mic, headphone, and a light switch. That ought to be interesting. It is the white version, I believe. It is 370 millimeters by 210 millimeters by 480 millimeters. It has 7 PCI slots. I'm guessing that's the slot covers. Let's see. Tempered glass. Supports up to 160 millimeter tall CPU core, and up to 305 millimeters on the GPU. I'm guessing that's going to be the length, not the height, rather. It has two 3.5 inch hard drive bays or SSD, and two just strictly 2.5 SSD bays. Let's see, it comes with 3 front fans, 2 top fans, and 1 rear fan. So we'll have to see the configuration once we unbox it. And I guess that's it. So let's get this bad boy open and see what we have here. Never mind what fell. I don't know what that was, but I hit something and it fell. Ah, it is indeed the white version. So let's see what we have. Get this out of the way here. Yep, it looks like it is indeed the white version. Pull out the phone. Pull out the phone. Ah! And I missed my step. Whoops. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Come off of there. Come off of there. Yeah, there we go. Alright, well, as you can see, the I/O is on the top. Mesh grill, and it's magnetic. That's cool, that's interesting. And it looks like the front is mesh also. Here's a good look at the tempered side. Am I missing a foot, or is I got a foot not level? Or is my table not level? Well, it could be my table's not level, but hey, what are you gonna do? All right, let's see what we have here. All right, let me just come around over here. Get out of the way, box. All right, it looks like, yeah, it looks like it's gonna be set up in a push-pull configuration. Oh, very decent looking case, I think. So let's take the back panel off and see what we have as far as cable routing. Let's see here. Well, as you can see, it looks like all the fans are with mullet style connectors, because there's, geez, quite a few of them here stuck together. That's promising. I may end up swapping those out eventually. But yeah, there's the, it looks like the 2.5 inch drive bays are removable. They're not necessarily keyless. Come on, get back in the hole. But they're removable. which is nice. Instruction manual and screws. And if I flip it over here, it looks like the 1.5, or the, I'm clumsy, sorry. It's going to look like the 3.5 inch dry bays are also removable, or the one dry bay it is, rather. But decent, ooh, what did they spill in this thing? I don't know. Decent room in the basement. There's all your front I/O connectors. Oh boy. So, but yeah, nice little tempered glass case. I'll have to inject some B-roll of the fans and see what they look like lit up. But anyway, there you have it. I appreciate you stopping by, and I invite you to like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. If you want to see more, drop me a comment and hit the subscribe button. Until then, boys and girls, we'll see you in the next one.